Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I'm Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. And with that being said, we are just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame here. As we can see then, we've obviously broken down from our bear market range low support. As you can see here, we've been coiling for a long time in a bit of a consolidation for Polygon ever since the peak of the bull market, that low of the bear market. And you can see here we've been coiling up for some time. You could say arguably we've just been putting in a big fat range, anywhere from around 50 cents up to around $1.30, $1.40 in reality. And we are at the range low if that's the case and your methodology for Polygon right now. You could see you could argue we're looking at doing something like this, which I would tend to agree with, to be honest, with a deviation of the high and the low. It's pretty interesting knowledge. Obviously we did have this support here which we've broken down from. You can see here though, Polygon getting very overextended recently, just like all altcoins. The correlation between most altcoins in the market right now is very high indeed. You can see we broke down from this support, came down into this range low area of support down here at around 50 cents. That 0.23 Fibonacci level also sitting in and around that area. And you can see this getting very oversold here in these areas. Bullish divergence is coming in as well on the daily, which is a really big reversal sign for me as well. And you can see ultimately we're just looking really oversold on the chart. I mean, realistically, the chances of this going down another 50% are very low, especially considering Bitcoin bouncing this week and probably going to go up to its range high of around 70k. You can imagine most altcoins are going to get relief, including Polygon here. I've got a long position entered in and around that 0.23 Fibonacci level. In a decent amount of profit today, you can see we've bounced up a little bit off this level, and I would expect at least a relief rally up towards that 65 cent area here, in my opinion, over the next few weeks. For now with Polygon, we are just sitting and waiting to see what will happen next, just like that wider market, but I do think we're going to get relief for most of our altcoins pretty soon. So